Okay, so today we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna try to blow Orbeez out of the exhaust of the truck. Check it out. We got a bucket full of Orbeez. Look, it's full. And we got the exhaust turned up here, and we're gonna fill it up. See if we can blow it out. All right, so here we go. Gonna use a texture bucket to do it. That way, only thing that will fit in there. Here we go. Orbeez start. So today we're going to do a burnout in a bucket of Orbeez. Now we're going to do a burnout in a little bit bigger bucket. And blended them nice and mushy. Gross. Hey guys, hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see what we come up with next.